Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, March 7th, 2014, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Today sucked. Today really sucked. Yesterday we could not get into a decent trade. It seemed like all day everything was negative. I told you on the close yesterday we were down about $8,000. This is not going to get better. Well, it really did not get better. Today, with the Dow up, we managed to close out negative $19,000. It was like a big volatile go against us day. It wasn't, but yeah, we closed out negative $19,000. So it was not a good day. I am happy to say we are carrying positive over $6,000 over the weekend, and we're not carrying any of that negative stuff anymore. But holy smokes, this is rough. And of course that does happen sometimes. Hey, we're traders, and if we're going to be traders, we got to accept the fact that we're going to have days that things just don't seem to go right, and today was one of those days. Dow closed up 30 points. Don't ask me how this all happened in 2 days when the Dow was up both days and not particularly volatile. So we just had some bad luck. Maybe it was my black cats, I don't know. Anyway, I'll show you the chart. Okay, we're looking at the Dow here, and you can see here how we had a pretty positive day today. Yesterday got up above that red line, stayed above there, and this morning when the market opened, it did take off pretty strong positive, and I thought maybe it was really going to go, and then it kind of filled here. But interestingly enough, you can see it at one point it got down, and look where it bounced right off my red line, and then comes back up. So I'm looking at this Dow chart, and I'm just saying this market is really winding up like a coiled spring to move higher. Looks really good, and as I say, I don't see how we had such a terrible 2 days when the overall market was doing this, but that's exactly what happened. I'll show you a couple of the charts. I'll show you first the cause of part of the frustration. We had nothing but negative trades yesterday except one. We got into this trade in China Sun Energy, and we got into this yesterday, and this thing really took off. It was up over $6,000 up here, and then of course it pulled back, and of course that was disappointing. We were holding about $2,500 here. Then this morning it opens up again. We were up to $5,000 very briefly on the open, but then it just really craps out here and sells off, and finally when we got out here we were positive $500. So we went from positive over $5,000 to $500, and that was the only thing that was good. That was the only thing that was positive today. One positive $500 trade, and then against that were all these horrible negatives, including over $5,000 loss in Clovis Oncology. And so hey, you can't win. We got slammed, no doubt about it. I do want to end with a positive note, though. We had one bright star today. The day seems so boring. After having lost all that money, nothing seemed to be going good at all, and I was just about falling asleep. And then out of nowhere, we get this trade in PANW, that's Palo Alto Networks, and we bought this thing fairly early on, and I can see it's really moving. Now, I learned afterwards there was some news on this, but I didn't know anything about the news when it happened. We got hit here. This thing is bouncing around. Look at this. It comes all the way down here. This is at this point we're holding a fairly substantial loss, and then boom, same bar, it comes up, and then just bam, 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 bam. We're up over $6,000 when it was up here. It pulled back, but we're still holding $5,500 positive in Palo Alto Network. So that one trade is what is making our positive $6,000 plus over the weekend. So, you know, it helps when after you got beaten up so bad, you see it, the trade come in here, the system's working, it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. It's jumping in on something when nobody else knows what's happening and getting along on the right side. So I will put my faith in this trade and put my faith in the system. We're going to do fine. This is Trader Bob signing off. You guys have a great weekend. I'll see you again on Monday.